Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix iOS 18 lag. First, open the settings on your iPhone. Now tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update to ensure your device is running the latest version of iOS. If an update is available, download and install it to improve performance. Once that's done, go back to the home screen and open the App Store. Then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Here, tap on Update All to update all your apps. Keeping your apps up to date can help reduce lag and improve performance. Now go back to settings and scroll down to tap on battery. Check the battery graph to see which apps may be using a lot of power. High battery usage can sometimes cause lag, so consider closing or uninstalling any apps that are draining your battery excessively. After that, go back to General and scroll down to tap on Shutdown. Once your iPhone powers off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. This can help refresh the system and improve overall performance. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.